Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing your go-to beginner makeup kit and all that you need to actually make that kit pop. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you're new to makeup, or you're a student looking for something to make up your beginner toolkit, or you're just somebody that just wants to do like a minimalist no makeup look every day, then this video is for you. Okay, so this video was actually requested for by one of my amazing subscribers, and I thought to just quickly come on here and share my recommendations to make your everyday makeup game simple. So if you can look at my face right now, I have like a very simple makeup going on. This is very friendly to beginners, and anybody can pull this makeup off. So without further ado, let's go straight into the video, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let me know what you guys want to see next on another video. So the first thing I have on my list is a foundation, and for everything I'm going to mention in this video, most of them I would not be able to say the prices because I can't even remember the prices of all of them. I'm just going to come on here and let you guys know the particular things that you can get. Prices may not be mentioned because I've forgotten the price and it's been a while I got some of these things. Okay, so bear with me. So first thing first is foundation, but this is Avoir's Best Skin Foundation. This is currently my favorite foundation. I use it currently on this look. I did not even use this foundation, but foundation is just something that every beginner would want to have in their makeup kit. Like just one pump will go as far as giving you a very seamless, simple makeup to achieve as a beginner. So a foundation is something you must have. Second thing on my list is a powder. We have two different types of powder right here. This is a powder palette, and this is a compact powder. This is from My Color, and this is from Avoir. So these are two different powders. This one just has like a single color of your skin shade. Like this is a powder that just fits one skin shade color. Or this powder palette has like different shades of powders that anybody can pick up and use. So if you're a beginner, you might want to go for this or this. It just depends on what you're going for. But I think having a powder palette would be a lot better. Why? Because it has different shades you can play around with. You can use them to contour, you can use them for your actual shade. So I think economically this would actually be a better bet for a beginner. But if you want something that is easy to carry on, then a compact powder is actually very good and also durable. So any of those two powders would be great for a beginner who is looking to, start up stocking their makeup kit. And the third thing on my list is a concealer, and I have two concealers right here. This is Avoir's concealer and this is Adventure concealer. So I currently have Adventure concealer on my skin because this is actually very close to my skin shade, and I just wanted to do like a very simple makeup, so I used this one, Adventure. But you should have a concealer because concealers will just help to highlight areas of your skin that helps define your makeup. Concealers are so important when it comes to having a makeup kit, even for beginners. Fourth thing on my list is eye pencil. So you must have eye pencils. Eye pencils, you can use them to draw your brows. You can use them to do like lip liners. You can these like just do so many things for you. So this is like the brown eye pencil. This is Davis, and this is also Davis eye pencil. This is the black. So I use the black to do my under eye, like my waterline area of my eye, to define my eye after makeup. Then this is the brown. You can use the brown for your eyebrows, sometimes your lip. It just depends on the vibe you're going for, right? Or what you want to achieve. But eye pencils never ever go wrong in your makeup. Like it's very essential, you need it. So every beginner should definitely have a black and a brown eye pencil. It's so important, you can't go wrong with it. Next thing on my list is a mascara. This is a mascara that I use, Mega Impact. I think this is actually a very popular mascara, right? A lot of people sell it. I don't think it's anything fancy, just and it's very beginner friendly. Even if you're using false lashes, you're still going to need mascara to actually buff your lashes before applying the false lashes. Do you get? So mascaras are very important. And on this look, I'm not even on any lashes. I just use mascara to make my eye pop a little bit. So mascara is very important. You need it to define your eye, lashes in your makeup. The next thing on my list is blush. I got this blush, I think, from a particular makeup store. I think it's Ceendies Beauty. Blush is so important to adding color to your makeup. You can never go wrong adding like blush to your makeup kit. It's so essential if you want your makeup to have that extra pop. Then another thing on the list is a lipstick or a lip palette. We have a lip palette and we have a lip gloss, right? So it just depends on the vibe you're going for, but I'll always recommend the lip palette because it has like so many shades you can play around with. But this is just like you have to buy like different shades to get what you like, but it depends on what you want. But lip palettes are so essential, so simple to use. Well, lip glosses are also great. I just want to quickly tap up my lip gloss. Yeah, so while lip glosses are also great, it just depends on the vibe you're going for, what you want, your budget, all of that, whatever you want. But I would always advise to go for a lip palette because it has different shades, different shades. You can play around with it. Like this shade now is something I don't know why they put here because I'd never use it. But I think maybe if you just want like a highlight of white, I don't know. But yeah, lip palettes, lipsticks, very essential because your lip has to pop when you're doing your makeup. Next thing on my list is a contour stick. This is black opal. I've been using it for a very long time, and this just gives that extra warmth to your makeup, definition when it comes to giving you that bronze or like just that warmth or definition to making sure that your face is snatched, right? This is the contour. Like you need a contour powder, a contour stick, a contour foundation, something that is a little darker than your shade to give you a definition in your makeup. And that is where contour sticks or contours powders or just contour anything comes in. So next on my list is a finishing spray. This is Kiss Beauty finishing spray. I use this after every makeup, just psh, psh, and you're done with your makeup. This just gives it like a freshness to your makeup. Like instead of it looking dusty, powdery, and all of that, it just makes it like skin. Like you let it set on your skin. It is so essential to have. Another thing that is so important is primer. Before doing makeup, especially when you know you're going out, you need a primer because primer helps to ensure that your entire makeup is locked in to your skin and it sits there. It's like a layer that helps to keep or seal your makeup together. So it's very important. You need a primer. This is Avast primer. Like I told you guys in the other video, I love Avast products. This is the one primer that I use and I really really like. You can see that it's even like it's about to finish. So primer, so important. Next on my list is a beauty blender. So this is a beauty blender that I use. I got this I think from Ceendies Beauty. I use this today, so that's why it's a little bit dusty. Before you use a beauty blender, you always have to wash it, right? Because it's like a sponge. It's very easy to wash. Just use your dish soap or your normal bathing soap to wash it and make sure that it's clean before using it so that it doesn't take up dust and dirt on your skin. So this just helps to give skin finish. It allows your makeup to blend on your skin smoothly and seamlessly. And the funny thing is that most times I do my makeup every single thing most times without even using brushes, right? Brushes are also essential, especially for beginners who are trying to get up their makeup kit and all of that. But beauty blenders are so good because you can use it for almost everything. So this side you can use this for the contour side or even the foundation side. All these inner pointy corners you can use them for the side that you added your concealers. Like, so you can see how useful these tiny things are. Like you don't even need to do too much. Once you start to get used to it, you don't even need brushes. Like that's how important they are. So yeah, shooting blenders are so important when it comes to blending your makeup and giving it like a seamless finish, right? On my list is eyelashes. So these are important at the same time not important. It depends on you as the person watching it and what you like. These are, for example, strip lashes. Most people that are doing makeup always use strip lashes after their makeup just to give it like an extra glam. Like you can use strip lashes or not, go with your mascara and your eyes are still defined. Just depends on your vibe. Me, I'm a lash girly any day, anytime, even without makeup. Sometimes I apply lashes. Just depends on you and what you want. But strip lashes are very essential, especially if you're going out and like going for a party. You want to look your best. So very important. Definitely, if you're using a strip lash or like a false lash extension, you're also going to need a lash adhesive or lash glue. So this is classic lash glue. You would use this on your strip lash so that they can apply on your natural lashes. So it's very, very essential. If you're getting a strip lash, you must get a lash adhesive to glue it together on your natural lashes. Then another optional thing is eyeliner. On this makeup look now, there's no eyeliner on it. But if you want, it's essential, since that not really, it just depends on the kind of look you're going for. But it's not a bad thing to add. It just gives you like a dramatic cut eye effect. And another thing it does is that so sometimes when you apply your lashes to your natural lashes, there might be some gaps or some lifts. So when you put that eyeliner, it actually hides that. So yeah, that is why it's so important. This is another thing that I almost forgot. It's a baking powder. It's not so essential, but sometimes it's essential. Like for example, on this makeup look, I did not use it. So this is more for when you're going like in depth. You want your concealer to bake. You want to have that like highlighted definition. You should get like a baking powder. Like when you want to go like full on proper makeup, baking powder is essential because it helps to define the highlighted areas and make it like I don't know the particular word to use, but just make it like more defined is just the word that keeps coming to me. So yeah, this is important for people who want to, make their makeup extra. They want their makeup to stand out. And this is from Airspun. I got this from Talkglam. Yes, I got this from Talkglam, and it lasts so long. Like most makeup items last so long. So yeah, those are my beginner friendly makeup kits items that I believe that every beginner should have, because with all of these that I mentioned, you will be able to achieve a very simple makeup, a good makeup that you can wear to go out, and have a very, very solid makeup kit that you can pick up any day, anytime, and do your makeup and look good. Okay, so let me know what you think about this video. If you like everything that we've discussed on here, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. I love you guys so much. It's Queen C, and I'll be back with another video.